Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to day 10, the last day of the 10-day paperclip ring making challenge. Today I'm making super cute paperclip cat rings. For the cat face, we are going to measure halfway along the paperclip. They should be 3 3/4 inches long when they're opened. So measure halfway, hold it with the flat nose pliers. I'm using the Xuron tweezer nose pliers so I can get some very small angles there, and we're just going to form the ears. So just after you've bent the wire in half, bend it down on either side at a very sharp angle. So that's the ears of the cat, and then we'll get our round pliers and form the cheeks. So we're just going to curve the wire around and then curve it out. And then we'll do the same on the other side, curve it around. And after that's curved for the cheek, we're going to bend it out to the side. So we have the wires going out on either side. Just wiggle them to close the gap. Straighten them out as you need to either side. And then once that's formed, you'll be able to form the band. So get your ring mandrel. If you don't have a mandrel, get a marker or a highlighter. Bend the wires to the back, right around to the back. And there's the ring. And from there, we're going to curve the edges just so there's no little sharp ends. So take your round pliers, turn the end around, and do the same on the other side. I'm just using my stainless steel round nose pliers. I'll link up all my tools in the description of the video. So now that the ends are turned, you can get your flat pliers and just pinch those ends in. Close it up a little bit, adjust it as you need, and there's your super simple cat face ring. So for the second one, we're doing the full cat. We're making it as simple as possible so we can make it really tiny, and this ring is all made with one paper clip. So turn the end in a curve and then pinch it in so it's closed, and then hold the flat pliers where the foot will be. Bend it out a little bit at the bottom of the tail first, and then bend it over for the foot and then across under where the belly will be, and then down for the second leg. So just bring it down, pushing it with your finger against the pliers to make a sharper bend. The tweezer nose pliers are perfect for this because it's so tiny, and then bend it up. So those are the legs. And just spread a little bit if you have to access it, just to bend it out for the face. And then we'll get our round nose pliers and bend it straight up. And we'll get the tweezer nose pliers again to form the ears. So just hold it with the pliers, bend it down on a sharp angle, really push it in there. And then we're going to bend it up for the second ear and bend it down. You really need tiny pliers for this because it's so small. And then we're going to squeeze those in a little bit so they're not so spread apart. Just gently squeeze them in, press it flat, pinch it in. Do any little adjustments that you need to do. And then we need to bend it across for the back of the cat. So that's the little kitty with the band sticking out to the side. So you just hold the cat on the mandrel and twist the wire around to form the band. And this one we're not going to form a loop on the end of the band because it's not that long and we want it just to sit flush. So just curl it a little bit with the round pliers so it makes a complete circle. Adjust it so it's lined up, and there's your super cute little kitty cat ring, all made of one paper clip. So for the last one, we're going to make the cat first and then attach another paper clip for the band. So this kitty could be a little bit bigger because we don't need the wire for the band. So I made the tail a little more curly, and we're going to go in the same method to form the cat. So like I said, it could be a teeny bit larger because you have a little bit more wire to work with. And any of these designs can be made with 20 gauge half hard wire or steel wire, or if you don't have half hard or steel wire, you can use 18 gauge copper wire. So we've got the legs, and then we're going to bend it out for the cheek. Get our round pliers, bend it straight up, and then we'll get our tweezer nose pliers again and just form a little zigzag for the ears, down, up, and down again. And then we're going to bend it straight across. So there's our little kitty, and then squeeze those in a little bit more if they're too wide. It's a little bit tricky because it's so small, but the tweezer nose pliers help. So just squeeze it in there to bring the ears together a little bit. From here, we'll bring the wire to the front, in front of the tail, and we just have to finish it off. So we'll take that end and wind it around. We'll give it a good tug, and then we're going to get our flush cutters and give it a good little clip in there to remove that extra piece of wire. And then we'll get our flat pliers again, and we're going to pinch that in so it's not pokey. So now we'll get another paper clip to form the band. So we'll just bring it right around the mandrel, and then we're going to bend one end up at a right angle, and we're going to attach the kitty in there. We're just going to make sure we have the right measurement, the right space there. Put it back on the mandrel, and so we're going to attach the kitty cat on there. So hold it in place and bend one wire back. Give it a good little tug and pinch the end flush. Cut it off. Good. Just clip it there, and then pinch it in with the tweezer nose pliers. Put it back on the mandrel. Hold it in place and push the other wire to the side. So that'll secure the kitty cat in place. Push it right down. Remove it from the mandrel. Take your flat pliers and give it a little bit more of a tug so it's secure. Clip it with the flush cutters to remove that end. And then just pinch it so there's no pokey ends and it's nice and secure in there. Then we're going to put it back on the mandrel. And there's our super cute kitty cat ring made with 2 paper clips. I have another 10-day paperclip challenge that I'm going to link up in the description below, and all kinds of other resources of where you can find materials, wire, beads, tools, and templates and tutorials in my Etsy DIY shop. So thanks again for watching. Have fun with the paperclip rings, and we'll see you the next time.